Hello, little artists! Today we are going to learn how to draw winter outfits. We will draw a jacket, hat, scarf, and winter shoes step by step.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw the jacket. Draw the neck and the body. Now, draw 2 pockets. Next, draw the hands on both sides. Now, let's draw a winter cap. Draw a fluffy round top. Then, draw a bowl-shaped cap under it. Draw the folded area. Decorate the cap with curved lines. Nice job! Now, draw a scarf. Make it long and cozy. Decorate it with small lines. Next, let's draw the winter shoes. First, draw the fluffy top. Then, draw the shoe part. Now, draw the sole of the shoe. Add a star shape on top. Great! Now, draw the other shoe the same way. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Wow, it's looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's show our color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow, so colorful and beautiful. Great work today, little artists. You did an amazing job drawing winter outfits. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. See you in the next fun drawing lesson. Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.